try a trade? Basically, different technical training colleges put on a variety of demonstrations that give people a chance to try their hand at various trades, just to get a feel for whether they enjoy something or not.
Contact any journeyman, come talk to people at Lakeland College, they'd be more than willing to help you out.
Lakeland College actually has a Facebook social media site with each of the trades on there. That's where I would suggest that somebody who's looking for it could actually search trades or Lakeland College.